Hey everybody, welcome to my garage. My name is Jason and I love making videos from right here in my garage about car stuff, like my Corvette Z06 behind me, but also product reviews, how-tos, general garage life tips and tricks, and more. If you have been to my channel, you're probably wondering what the heck happened to my head. First of all, I shaved my head for charity. See my previous videos about that and you can learn how you can do the same. And then also earlier today, working here in the shop, bashed my brains out on something, so try to ignore that. But otherwise, I am super excited about this video. Ever since I bought my Corvette, I wanted new wheels for it. When it comes to wheels on my car, stock just isn't my thing, and I wanted something that was aggressive looking but unique, affordable, and just as important, good quality. On my previous 2010 Camaro SEMA show car, I had Forgeline wheels on it, and I absolutely loved them. But that was for a car that was new to the market at the time, and it was going to be on display at SEMA. This time, we're talking about a 10-year-old car, so I wanted something a little bit more affordable, but by no means inferior quality. And because I'm going to do not only some shows like Cars and Coffee and so on and so forth, but also some occasional track use as well, I did a previous interview with the folks at Forgestar at PRI last year, and in my search, I gave them a second look. And the minute I saw the Forgestar M14, I knew that those were the ones for my car. They just had everything that I was looking for. The price was right, and not everybody has them, at least not yet. I think after people start seeing them more, that may change. What makes them affordable is they use a custom flow forming technique that bridges the gap between a forged wheel and a cast wheel. So that makes them affordable and still light and strong, and plus they're owned by Weld Wheels, so they have the backing of a solid and pretty historic parent company. Not to mention, there's a ton of finish options for them, so I can make them unique to my car and get the look that I was going for. So I decided to pull the trigger and order some up. I got in touch with DV8 Motoring in Texas, and they specialized in custom-built forged wheels for just about any car. And I got a quote from them. And after a few weeks, my wheels arrived. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I've got the Forgestar custom-ordered wheels separated. Rears here, 19 by 12. Fronts, 19 by 10. I'm going to get to unboxing them in just a second. I'm super excited about this, but I want to say a couple things before I do. First of all, thank you very much to my friends at DV8 Motoring. They helped me make sure I got the right sizes, the right offsets, and placed the order with the manufacturer for me, and just took good care of me the whole way, making sure that it was right. The prices are fair, reasonable, very competitive, and the service is second to none. They know how to make a car look good and make sure that you make your car look good as well. Check them out, dv8motoring.com. I'm going to put the link right there. Another thing I want to talk about is there's nothing really wrong with the factory wheels. They don't look bad at all. First of all, though, I'm not a fan of chrome, even though that 2009, which is what my Corvette Z06 is the only year that they made these particular wheels in chrome, and they look pretty good and they're pretty unique. Chrome just is not my thing. That's why I've kind of de-chromed a lot of the car as I continue to do mods. See my other videos for the things that I've done. But it's also just not my style. I wanted something a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more competition related. Yes, I'm going to be driving it on the street, and yes, I'm going to be going into the track. No, I'm not going to be trying to break records or win championships, but I did want something that was going to hold up. And well, just the stock wheels just didn't do it for me in that term, as well as looks. I needed new tires as well because I was changing wheel sizes. Not only that, but my current Michelin Pilot Sport run flats, simply no match for the power I'm putting down in this thing, especially after the American Heritage Performance heads and cam that I did last year. Every time I try to have some fun, I blow the tires off the car. And not only is that not really fun, but it's not exactly safe either. I did some research, and one tire stood out as the best tire based on everybody's experiences on the forums and on the socials for street use plus some racing, and that is the Toyo R888R. Check this out. Go. Right here. The Toyo Proxes R888R. These things are super sticky. In fact, you can see it's just picking up dirt just by me rolling it across my garage floor. These things are awesome. I did a lot of research on it. 295/30 ZR19s in the front, and I'll show you the rears in just a second. Ugh. These things are super wide. It's 14 inches from sidewall to sidewall, and these here are just incredible sticky tires. 345/30 ZR19s in the rear. These are going to be great. It's going to eliminate a lot of my traction problems. But the moment that I've been waiting for, that you've been waiting for, let's do the unboxing. All right, let's start with the rears. Once again, just like when I got my AHP heads and cam, I feel like a kid in a candy store. How did this get here? That's right, I planted it. Do it. Do it. Okay, let's get on with it. I thought this was a really cool touch. Oh, look at that. So this is how I had them custom ordered. Gloss black here, matte black here with gloss black rivets. You can't tell me these aren't going to look great on this car. Oh yeah, this is going to look awesome. Let's do the fronts. Sometimes I think I need a bigger garage. Nice, nice, nice. Again, gloss black, matte black with gloss black rivets all the way around. There's something else in here. Hold on. Oh, this is cool. Here we go. Nice. I always love bonuses like this. All right, so here we go. The Forgestar center caps, license plate frame, kick-ass key lanyard, and of course, concentric rings. These are very, very important to install. So obviously the next thing I gotta do, I gotta get these wheels and tires mounted. I don't wanna trust these with just any shop. I asked some of my buddies here in the Nashville, Tennessee area who does the very best wheel and tire mounting, and everyone said go to Brian's Motorsports in Hendersonville, Tennessee. So that appointment is booked. Next video about this is going to be revealing what these monsters look like on my Corvette. So if you haven't already, now is the absolute perfect time to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and of course share it out if you know somebody that also might like to watch it. Special thanks again to my friends over at DV8 Motoring for advising me on the right wheels to go with, the right sizes, the right offsets, getting that order in with the manufacturer, having them manufactured and shipping them out to me. Couldn't be more happy with their support, their service. Check them out, dv8motoring.com. Thanks for hanging out in my garage with me. Feedback is always welcome, so please leave your comments and questions, and I'll do my very best to address every single one of them. I'll see you in my next video. I can't wait.